Spark seats.
Hello, my name is Melvin Abraham. I am the dad of this wonderful guy that travels all over the place, Mike Rood, on the Rood's Awakening Tour. And I'm coming to you from Frog Lake, Alberta, my home nation, Frog Lake First Nations. So now I'll try a song that I wrote in 1986, and it's a gospel tune that I wrote for my late mother, God rest her soul. Reach out to Jesus when you're feeling blue. Ask Him to help you, which He'll gladly do. Reach out to Jesus and ask Him into your life. Jesus is everywhere, each day and night. Put all your problems in His hands today. He'll accept the burden and He'll show you the way. Lift up your arms tonight, heaven above. He'll show you the light and give you His love. Reach out to Jesus when you're feeling blue. Ask Him to help you, which He'll gladly do. Reach out to Jesus and ask Him into your life. Jesus is everywhere, each day and night. Jesus is everywhere, each day and night.
Hi. Thank you very much.